How you doing, folks? My name's Tony, and this here is my wife, Becky. Say hello. Hi, all the way from over there. Hope you heard it. Anyways, we're here in Amherst, New York, day after Thanksgiving, doing a little Black Friday magnet fishing. And we just gave our first toss out. We're gonna see if she has anything. It's been about a year or so since we've been here. We shall see. First pull brings up something. I tossed mine out also, but I just didn't bring it in. Random piece of wire and a rock. Happy day after Thanksgiving, folks. All right, feels like I got a little something. Let's see what it is. Oh, as everybody knows, piece of a shopping cart. All right, folks. Well, good. I'll keep my magnet there while I rip this. Here we go. All right. And some earplugs and a plastic bag out of the water. Good deal. Let's get the rest of the shopping cart. Looked like a knife handle at first. Oops, sorry for the camera there, but looked like a knife handle at first. And a big old hook and worm. Big old bloated wormy. Ooh, for those of you wormy people. Alright. Alright, now if I keep this on, it'll be alright. Ooh. Oh. Try that again, shall we? Carrot burp. All right. A twofer. All right. A muffler. Nope, a bridge. Or a crosswalk. And another squiggly PCO shopping cart. Woohoo! Alright. This looked like an eyeball from the distance. Thank God it's not. But it looks like a piece of maybe a tape player, cassette tape player, and a rock. Good catch, wife. I don't know what the hell this is other than heavy. Oh! I'm off my magnet. I can get it to re-stick. Oh, might have to do the old double magnet. Oh, oh no! How you doing? Another 55-gallon drum. I don't want this. We can walk this to the shore here. Ugh. This is heavy and annoying. Gotta move the wagon. Ugh. Alright. Oh, steel beam. Alright, the wife just got this bad boy for changing gears on your 10-speed or 3-speed. Alright. Alright, well, here's a part of the barrel we can at least fit in the car. Alright, so. Alright, so like I said, here's the other part of the 55-gallon barrel. So at least we can fit this part in the car. I like that. Alright, a little bit of everything on this one. A little bit of bicycle chain, random pieces of drum, piece of steel, something this came off of. You can see perfect hole. Perfect hole usually don't happen. Huh, perfect hole. Oh, let's see what this is. Ooh, a bike fork. And more barrel. Yep. All right. Another fork for a bicycle. Could be parts of the pedal actually. Piece of the 55-gallon drum. This Kratos don't want to let go of nothing. All right, good find. Woohoo! Whoop, whoop. Maybe. Hey, all right, got another chair. It'll be our third chair this month. All right, now we can have extra company. Yeah, woohoo! And no, I'm not gonna try it. Sorry. All right, looks like we got a rim. We'll get that bike little by little. Woohoo! Hey, all right, look at a twofer. Got a rim and our very own railroad spike. But yeah, there's a lot of old railroad tracks around here that aren't used anymore. But so yeah, it's very understandable to find one near here. There used to be a train bridge we used to cross as kids. That is very dangerous. That's all I'm going to say. And this Kratos 2400 clamp is knocking it out of the park, man. Oh, so much heavy stuff we didn't get last time. A coil spring. No shit. And these things aren't light, man. Wow. Look at how the stuff is inside of it. Lots of freshwater clams. Wow, there's some big shells in here. Some really big shells. We'll have to save those. And a little bonus stuff here. Woohoo! This is pretty cool, man. Oh, even a piece of glass. Good to get that out of there. All right, nice. All right, I'm dragging this from about 40 feet out. Oh, it's got some weight to it. Bouncing off the rocks over here. All right, a brake rotor. Or no, the drum actually. Wowzers. Whew. That's pretty heavy, plus a piece of metal. All right. And the random stuff. Ooh. Tree. Let's see if we can move this off to the side then. Well, I got rid of the tree, but I kept the batteries. So it's good to get these out of the water, definitely, man. And a washer. All right, so we just wanted to show you everything. Leaf coil spring. This thing's pretty heavy duty. Little drum for a truck. 10-speed tire. Our third or fourth seat of the month. Piece of a shopping cart behind there. That's the sidewall. Complete muffler. Plus old school garbage can piece that the wife brought up off camera. And there's the wife slowly warming up, helping us clean up. Hi. All right, so what do you want to tell the people? Like, share, subscribe.
Yeah, like, share, subscribe.
All right, I'm glad you heard that. Peace. On this fine day in Western New York, day after Thanksgiving, a whole 25 degrees.